Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today's video is sponsored by TaoTronics. I want to give it a shout out to them for sending me this massage gun, Percussion massager with 10 levels. This model is TT-PCA003 and I'll be including the link that's going to show you in the description. And you could also apply the 20% off coupon code in there. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys what we have. So yeah, it's come with this big box. And then the box says has this lithium ion sticker on there for warning. Wow, whole bunch of bubbles or airbags. So yeah, here's the description of the product. Massage gun model I just went over. So they have a couple of their address right here. Japan, China, and then in Euro. So the products are made in China, and then here's the FCC compliance. And then here's a QR code. It's quite heavy because this one comes with the attachment, and it's by TaoTronics, TaoTronics. Massage gun, be relaxed, be healthy. And you got the TaoTronics.com right here. Here is the description with the barcode. Alright, so let's go and then unbox this. And then you got the TaoTronics right here. Wow. It comes with this nice carbon fiber design looking case for you to carry on. Some dry patch. Wow, look at that. This is a high quality case. So here's a handle right here for you to carry. And right here is the rubberized TPU material right here. And here's a zipper. Nice. Look at that. So I guess this is to keep it dry from moist. Here's the instruction booklet. And then a thank you card right here. Come with the 18 months warranty, 60 days free return shipping, priority customer support, VIP exclusive discount. And here are the numbers right here for different countries, and then email. You can follow them on their Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. So here's a massager. Wow. And this one feels like rubberized material right here. And come with this attachment. So this is one attachment right here, and then another one. So this is like a rubber seal or rubber O-ring right here. And then the tip is like plastic. And this one has a rubber on the tip. And then this is almost like a hard foam ball. And then here's another attachment. And then another one. Let me give you the spec real quick. So this one has a 24 watts high torque motor, strokes 1400 to 3200 times per minute, and reach your tissue as deep as 12 millimeter to increase blood flow, and thus relieve muscle soreness and stiffness better. Massage heads in different shapes to use on different muscle groups, and provides target treatment for fast recovery. Equipped with the 6 rechargeable batteries. Each battery holds a capacity of 2600 milliamp, lasts for 4 to 10 hours under a full charge. And this one will automatically shuts off after 15 minutes of continuous use to protect the motor from overheating. Adapts 24 volt brushless motor. So brushless motor will last longer than regular motor, and high quality bearings to lower the working noise, which is quieter than normal conversation and won't disturb others when using in the office or gym. So on the back right here, you got the nice this LCD display. Oh, there's on right here. So there you go. So on the right hand side show, wow. So on the right hand side it shows the battery level. They go up to 10. So right now it shows probably 8. Let me see. And you got the 10 different setting. Yep. Wow. Gotta give some tests. Let me check. Yeah, so this one has a anti-slip handle right here. The weight on this is 2.2 pounds, and designed with the rubber surface on the handle, make it easier to grip with the one hand and apply on any parts of your body. And then on the top right here, it features a heat emission hose on the top, 55mm smart brand circuit board, and charging protection of overcharge, and then overcurrent, ensure a longer service life. So yeah, that will last longer. And then this is great for a deep tissue massager. So get rid of stiffness and then stay relaxed. And then here is a charger that comes with it. And then it goes on the bottom right here. Make sure you turn it off. So yeah, make sure you turn it off while you try to place it this one and then charge it, so it doesn't short out the battery or anything like that. But this one's a DC input 24 volt at 1 amp. And the batteries is 18650, 2600 milliamp, 22.2 volt, and 57.72 watt Henry. Let's go ahead and check out this plug real quick. This is a class 2 power supply. And this plug could work with 100 volt all the way up to 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz at 0.7 amp. But you would need to have an adapter. So let's go and check this one out. Turn it back on. Turn it on. Wow, look at that, nice. Look at my skin. That feels so good. I can feel the muscle getting relaxed and getting massaged. Yeah, too bad I'm too skinny, so sometimes hit my bone, but yeah, this is great. Feels good. Let's change the different attachment. See if this one's softer. This one has a rubberized. Yeah, I should try this on my neck or knee. change it higher and see. Yeah, so this one's a pretty good investment compared to a massage chair that will cost you around like $2,000 or $3,000 or even up to $7,000, depending on which model of massage chair that you get. And with this, it's portable, so you could go anywhere, like you go on vacation or if you visit anybody or travel and stuff like that, and or if you exercise a lot and you need to get a massage for your muscle to relax and rest, this would be awesome product for you guys. And not only that, if you have grandparents or parents that has muscle pain or stiffness or numbness, this would be great to circulate their blood flow. Okay. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description, and make sure you apply my coupon code so you get 20% off. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.